Hi there. Thank you for watching this video. You do not need expensive oils to make your skin look beautiful. Just change your mind and try our tips. Here we have shared with you 3 things from your kitchen you can use to beautify your skin. This recipe actually works very good in removing stretch marks and improving the skin tone. First, get a raw round potato peel and make a paste from it. After making a paste from a round potato, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to it. Get a white or apple cider vinegar, and add 1 tablespoon. Stir and make sure the 3 are fully mixed. Use the new paste to massage your skin using your fingertip in a round motion. Repeat the same at least 3 times a week for 4 weeks or more. Apply aloe vera gel or olive oil after washing away. You will love your skin after trying this simple recipe in few days. Please subscribe for more beauty tips. Thank you for watching.